Hey guys, today I'm styling my hair. I'm going to be curling it with my wand curled to achieve these beach waves. If you're interested in watching this video, stay tuned. So this is what the hair looks like after I curled it, but we're going to jump into curling it. This is what it looks like in its state now before we curl it. I previously blow dried the hair and straightened it, and I had it in a bun last night, so that's what it looks like right now. This hair is Trouble Girl. I'm gonna redo this girl because I don't like it. I'm actually gonna end up redoing this half of the head because I don't like the way it's curling, but such is life. We have difficult hair on our hands. Gotta make it work. Okay, so if you guys aren't aware of how to do beach curls, you pretty much rotate the direction that you're curling the hair. I did it sometimes. I didn't do it every single time, but so you'll wrap it one way in one direction, and then the other curl next to it, you'll wrap it the other direction, so going the opposite way. So that's how you achieve the beach curl look, and then when you brush it out, it looks wavy and beachy, I guess. So in case you guys are wondering what I'm spraying in my hair, I'm only spraying heat protectant and sheen spray. The red bottle is the sheen spray and the silver is the heat protectant. this is what the hair looks like after about 7 hours. As you can see, the curls have dropped. Ends are very frizzy. That's just a little update. Thanks for watching. Until next time.